Hello, Acala team announced their EVM Plus has been launched on mainnet, so let's see what EVM Plus is all about and what it brings to Acala DeFi ecosystem. The launch of mainnet EVM Plus is a significant development for Acala as it allows any Ethereum aka Solidity-based application to be now seamlessly deployed to Acala EVM Plus development environment. Solidity is a programming language designed for developing Ethereum-based smart contracts and dApps. In other words, Solidity language is being used to build the majority of DeFi dApps deployed on Ethereum. Fun fact, Dr. Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot, has invented and designed much of this Solidity smart contract language, which he has developed for Ethereum. Acala's EVM Plus basically means dApps developers from Ethereum can now very easily deploy their Ethereum-based dApps on Acala's DeFi blockchain, which will allow for these dApps to access liquidity stored not only on Acala's DeFi blockchain, but over time also liquidity from the entire Polkadot's DeFi ecosystem. From users' perspective, users from Polkadot ecosystem can expect many Ethereum-based DeFi dApps to be deployed on Acala via EVM Plus, and they'll be able to use these dApps easily using their MetaMask. Essentially, this means Ethereum's EVM DeFi and Polkadot's Substrate DeFi will now be interconnected also via Acala, so Acala joins Moonbeam and Astar networks, which are also already compatible with EVM and MetaMask. So if you hold ACA and you have been in need of some good news lately regarding Acala, I believe EVM Plus has a real potential to greatly increase the number of DeFi dApps deployed on Acala, which in theory should spark Acala DeFi ecosystem growth and adoption. The reason why EVM Plus is such a big milestone for Acala is because Ethereum dev teams can now deploy their dApps on Acala using the same tools they currently utilize on Ethereum, such as MetaMask, Truffle and Waffle. Both Truffle and Waffle are development tools for testing Solidity smart contracts on Ethereum. Here is what makes Acala's EVM Plus unique from standard EVM. Polkadot's development framework called Substrate is very different from Ethereum's EVM in a way that Substrate empowers many on-chain innovations for parachains that are not possible in EVM environment. Substrate, for example, supports forkless upgrades, which allows parachains to execute upgrades on their network without the need for a hard fork. Hence, Acala's EVM Plus combines the best of both environments. So by utilizing EVM Plus, Ethereum DeFi dApps can access liquidity from Acala ecosystem. By liquidity I mean all tokens deployed on Acala chain such as ACA, DOT and LDOT, and also Polkadot's natively minted USDC and USDT. What's cool is that the current users of Ethereum dApps will still be able to use their MetaMask to connect to Acala network to access Acala's DeFi market, which will make their transition to Acala and Polkadot eco smooth and effortless. They will simply switch the network on MetaMask from Ethereum to Acala, the same way we switch from Ethereum to Moonbeam or Astar. So despite all the recent issues, Acala team has eventually delivered EVM Plus as they promised in their roadmap last year, though a bit later. The benefits of EVM Plus for Acala's DeFi space are yet to see. Personally, I'm quite curious about what activity and user adoption on Acala we will experience over this year, especially once XCM version 3 is live on Polkadot. I think the combo of EVM Plus, Polkadot's XCM v3 and asynchronous backing will be extremely powerful and can finally kickstart decent user adoption of Acala DeFi. Asynchronous backing could be a game changer as it is expected to shorten parachain's block time down to 6 seconds and also dramatically increase the TPS on Polkadot relay chain up to hundreds of thousands of transactions per second. So we surely have exciting times ahead of us. That's been all, thanks for watching and see you next time.